Hello everyone, and welcome to my first tech unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing the Technica ATH-M50xBT. I bought this headphone myself and I wasn't sponsored, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe to support me because I bought this myself. Click the link down in the description down below if you want to purchase one of these headphones for yourself. And yeah, let's get to the unboxing. So the box is slightly torn, but it's okay since the most important part is that the headphones are intact, right? Now let's dig into the box. While I'm opening up the box, about 4 months ago, I made a channel update saying that I'll be turning this channel into a variety channel while focusing on music and gaming. Tech stuff will be one of the variety content that I'll be uploading onto this channel. So yeah, hopefully you guys will like this type of tech stuff. And yeah, it's a bit hard to get it out, so let's just take it out real quick. That sound though. Anyways, let me just set the box aside just so that I can get some room for the headphones to come out. I think that's how you said it. Alright, and let me just quickly do open it up. Alright, and the cloth is not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to rest under the headphone. But before that, I already took it out just to take a look, and I kinda took it out of the cloth because I couldn't get the headphone out properly. And yeah, this is the headphone right here. It's folded in this shape. I'm not sure why, but I mean it works. So yeah. Let me just quickly make the headphones. Let me just quickly unfold the headphones so you guys can get a good view of it. And yeah, this is the headphones right here. Let me just push the box aside. And this is the headphones. Audio Technica right there. Right here. These are the buttons. Camera focus, please. Come on, focus. Alright, so you can see the volume buttons and all that, and also the on and off switch. There's also a 3.5mm jack, which I don't know why. Hold on. I think there's like some cables for it to plug it into the computer or something. So let's take it out, and underneath here we have the that's just a receipt, so let's not mind that. So right here is the looks like the packaging for the headphones. Not packaging for headphones, I mean like the bag to store your headphones on the go. And inside there's some cables. And yeah, there's a 3.5mm jack cable and also the charging cable for the headphones, which is pretty neat. We'll just set that aside real quick right now. This is the charging cable, which is nice. And right below are all the like instructions and all the safety manual, I think. I mean, who cares about instructions? So yeah, let's just set that aside as well. And apparently there's a... Yep. Okay. That just dropped. But it's alright. So now the box is empty. Apparently there's an app for the headphone as well. Let me just quickly pull the app up. Yep, right here. I haven't downloaded it yet. And let's just download it real quick. And we're back. Yep, this is the software you allow. Okay, man. Product locator. Allow so that we can locate the headphones. Alright. Initial setup of the app is complete. Allow the accessories. Yeah, sure, why not? Let's just connect the Bluetooth to the headphones real quick. Apparently you need to just turn it on for it to connect. Yeah, looks like it. Yep, the light's blinking. I mean not blinking, just showing up. And yeah, I think it's connected already, right? Is it? Oh fuck. Oh yeah, it's connecting. Yes. Yep, now just click that. Now let's start it up. And it's connecting. Man, the connecting is pretty slow, so I just cut that out. Right here we have all the audio codecs. Apparently there's app text for Android as well, but currently I'm using my iPhone to do this. Well, so that's why I have no app text. I think there should be app text on Android devices, if I'm not wrong. And yeah, that's the rest of the things. Alright, let me set my phone apart. And that's pretty much it. This headphone seems pretty nice, and I'll definitely try it out when I can. Let me set this box aside first. And yeah, this is the ATH-M50xBT. I'm thinking of making a review on it, but I'm not sure. So let me know it down in the comments if you want to see a review on it. And make sure to leave a like if you want to see more of this tech stuff. But I'm just an average consumer, so I don't really know much about reviewing tech, so I'll probably only do unboxing of tech. Haha. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.